How to use ChatGPT to create an app. So you want to create an app using ChatGPT and make $1 billion. Here's what you need to know. I better get the bad news out of the ways. If you think ChatGPT can write you an iPhone app with in-app purchases that will make you $1 million, you are out of luck. I am preempting these expectations because every time I talk about how to build products, there are a few folks out there who either want me to write them $1 million app, want me to show them the one class or book that will teach them how to write $1 million app, share the one secret tools or program that millionaire programmers all hide from the regular folk, or introduce them to my programmer buddies because surely one of them will write $1 million app for the stranger on space. The software businesses does not work that way. Software is very big and complicated. Many apps rely on connections to vast network of other resources that all needed to be integrated. Essentially, many apps are merely front ends to numerous computing infrastructures that do their work behind the scene. Other apps, games, for example, take teams of the people with a wide range of skills, all working in sync, usually for years, to turn out an app. How ChatGPT can help you create an app. Now, I do believe ChatGPT can help you with creating an app, but it's not going to do most of the work. That's up to you and your teams, but it may be able to save you some time and reduce a lot of efforts, and that's a win all on its own. So with that, let's look at how ChatGPT might help you create an app. Plan your app. There are roughly 2 million iPhone apps and about 3.5 million Android apps. So finding unique app offering is going to be difficult, but it's also probably not a good idea to make something that already has a ton of competitors. Don't limit yourself to ChatGPT to do your research here. Certainly involve it by asking questions like, are there iPhone apps that count the days until retirement? How to use ChatGPT to write code? Keep in mind that ChatGPT's training data ends in 2023. So if you want to say produce an app that help write ChatGPT prompt, ChatGPT originally did not know what was in the app store. However, what ChatGPT can now do, web search to layer on top of the knowledge it has in its training data. You may need to encourage it to search in your prompt to get to more current information. But there's a lot more to planning your app than just basic market research. You will certainly want to plan out functionality and features, and then craft a user interface for an app that helps write ChatGPT prompt. You could ask, I want to build an iPhone app to help write ChatGPT prompt. What should the majors and minor features be in such an app? Try it for yourself. The answer I got after typing this into ChatGPT was surprisingly complete and could actually be useful in creating an app. Next up is the user interface. I thought the perhaps inside of ChatGPT, especially GPT-4, might be able to generate some sample screens, but ChatGPT responded that it was not able to. This will likely get better. While ChatGPT cannot draw out wire frame yet, you can ask ChatGPT